Good morning, good morning, good morning, Jamaican people, Jamaican watchers. I'm Calibe. I am very excited because I'm doing my first fam trip to Jamaica on behalf of Jamaicans.com and Island Origins. And I just got me a selfie stick, so you're going to be seeing a lot of these 360 views. Hopefully, there's nobody in the airport that doesn't want to be seen. But I am very much having fun today. I'm about to jump on a JetBlue flight, courtesy of the Jamaica Tourist Board and, of course, Jamaicans.com. Big ups to Xavier and his whole crew. The last time I was in Jamaica, I showed you an entire Shaggy and Friends concert. So let's see what other trouble we can get into on this trip. We're going to a Rasta village. We're going to some all-inclusive hotels. We are going on a nature walk. There's a whole lineup of activities that is going to be planned, or that's already planned. Good morning, Kevin Wilson. Already planned by the Jamaica Tourist Board for this trip. So I can't remember everything off the top of my head, but if you don't know me, I'm Calibe. I am reporting on behalf of Jamaicans.com and Island Origins. I'm sitting here at Fort Lauderdale International Airport. Just got myself a new selfie stick so I can capture the whole 360 of all that is going on this trip between here and Montego Bay, Jamaica. Now, if you're Jamaican, you know that there's some stuff been going on in Montego Bay that has been a little questionable. So we're going to see the good side of Montego Bay. If there is something that you want to know about the area, about the people that I'm going to go talk to. Again, it's the only the one that stands out in my mind is the Rasta village. We're going to Margaritaville as well, somewhere down there. We are going to it's called Nature Preserve or something like that. That's an artist area. I think we're going to do some other nature walks and a rum factory, stuff like that. So if there's any questions that you will have for these types of places, anything that you want me to ask when I get down there, please go ahead and put it in the comments. I will check back on this occasionally. You may see me from the airport in Montego Bay, depending on if I get Wi-Fi service or I get my streaming service connected. But hey, Jamaicans.com, hey, and Karen Daly. Thank you all for checking in, for tuning in and watching. Sorry I missed you on the live last night. We were a little overwhelmed, excuse me, after that fabulous event we did 2 weeks ago. Just exhausted. So this is going to be a nice vacation. Compliments of Xavier and the Jamaica Tourist Board. Not quite. Compliments of Xavier, meaning that the Jamaica Tourist Board asked for Jamaicans.com to come out and show Jamaicans and everybody who tunes into Jamaicans.com. Thank you, Carla. I intend to have a safe flight. Thank you to Jackie. Thank you to Anne Karen and Magic. Thank you all. Yeah, so Magic is usually there with us for the live, which we did not do last night, but trying to make up for it this morning. And we will be, well, David is coming down actually. So it's the Island Origins team on behalf of Jamaicans.com doing this Jamaica trip. He's going to be taking some gorgeous pictures, I'm sure. I'm going to be getting into all kinds of trouble, fasting with, if you're not Jamaica, that means, getting in trouble with, but fasting with a whole bunch of different people. I want to explore the hotel. I want to explore the, as I said, the rum factory, the Rasta village, the nature preserve, all of that stuff. So any questions that you have, technology really good, my dear. Any questions that you have, any suggestions on what kind of trouble I can get into, go ahead and put it in the comments. I will check back before we go on to the next adventure, and I will let you know what the adventures are day by day. Today I think we're just going to be inside of the hotel, or I'm just going to be inside of the hotel. David is coming down tomorrow. I believe there are other travel groups or tour groups coming down as well, but stay tuned and we will find some interesting trouble to make. Mitch McLean, thank you so much. I do plan to enjoy on behalf of all of us and to document it. Yes, please think of your questions, think of what you want me to go do, Melody, enough pictures too. Yeah, man, I intend to have lots of fun. Yeah, Brent Dread, absolutely. That sounds like a total plan. Thank you, Carla. All right, I'm gonna leave y'all alone to have your breakfast and get off to work while I take a little break in Jamaica and chill in the airport for a moment. So have a great day, y'all, and we will catch up a little bit later. Bye.